I'm looking at the GoGonova 12V cordless drill. Now it's got 80 piece accessories included, 22 plus torque settings, 30 Nm max torque, 2 variable speeds. So I'm going to open it up, have a look what we get inside. That's the drill. Everything inside. There's a instruction book. That looks all to be in English. There's a charging lead. We've got accessories in here. Some bits. There's some torque bits and some drill bits. Some screws and plugs. And a magnetic wristband. Let's get the drill out. This will obviously give us a good charge up before I try it out. It's quite heavy, a lot heavier than I thought it would be, which is, you know, to me is a good thing with a drill. It's got some charge in it. Drill, the drilling, screwing. Right, as I say, I shall give it a good charge up, and then I'll come back and try it out. I've now got this fully charged, and I've put one of the drill bits in it to give it a test. This just pulls out the bottom for the charging, and then slots back in. That works fine. So I put a drill bit in it, so I'll give it a test for the drill. Seems to work fine. Change the bits, bring that out, a couple of screws there, so if I put it to screw, but let's have a look, see which one this fits. That should be fine. Turn it down a bit. Try with a screw. Not countersunk anything on there, so the ratchet on there. Turn that off. Turn it back up. That's fine, I won't go too far because I'll go through the floor. I'll keep testing it. It's got the accessories with it. It's got some things, say some torque bits, screw heads. I've put the double-headed one in there. That's the adjustment. I shall test that out. That's the magnetic band you get with it. That seems fine. Anyway, I shall give it a good try out, and then I shall come back with my full written review. I've now used this quite a few times since it arrived, and yeah, although when it first arrived I was a bit dubious, it was in a little box, no case with it, but yeah, I'm quite impressed. It's got a good weight to it, it's nice and solid, the adjustment's good, speed's good, it's got the light on it, that's the drill, for driving you can go slow, the battery seems to last well. You know, I've done quite a bit with it, and it's only had one charge. Adjustment on here, it works well. Easy to change the bits. Anyway, as I say, I shall go into more detail in my review.